Hello guys, this is Sanju Nirmalkar and today I am come with a new topic that is gig economic. So the main purpose to make my this video is to getting influency in English because we all know very well that in this India in this manner how much importance takes place the English language. So for getting this importance I have decided to make such videos like one by one like this. So I'm starting my channel with first this topic is that is gig economic. The gig economic is nothing but a short term contract. That is the short term contractor will have to pay money also, and such like a videographer, photographer, contractor, food saving, and also in case of app and website, the developer and doctors are being used. This increases the gig economic like this. Although the many countries have started to make such a controller for this enhancing economics, but according to me it will increases day by day because we have seen that in a pandemic season it have increased at a maximum limit of this one. There are also many benefits of gig economic is that it provides the flexibility in time for the workers and autonomy for the workers, and also provide the awards for hard work. So these for seeing this phenomena, the people are attracting towards these business, and there are many great great things for the employee because there are many unemployment problems are getting the students, and through this they have their time to get such money under a specified time limit. There are many challenges for the gig worker is that because they are unable to get benefits like retire benefits and health benefits like the full-time regular employees. Also many gig worker don't have the much money as compared to they have guaranteed by the company, and their money may be payment may be delay or stopped. So in this manner the people get some stress, and also for getting extra money the extra loaded worker start working and get the lack of time for spending their time in their personal life, which increases the life difficulties in personal life. In conclusion, I would like to say that it is little enough but not more, because the gig economic either increasing or also decreases the human flexibility in their personal life also.